Welcome to Animal Sounds and Facts. Please enjoy our farm animals collection. Horse. The horse is a land mammal that has been domesticated thousands of years ago by humans. The horse is a large animal and it's commonly used to transport people and things. The horse is fast so that they can flee from the predators, and they're extremely strong. Pig. Pigs are medium to large animals. They are also domesticated and related to the wild boars. Pigs eat everything and have a genetic similarity to humans. Rabbit. The rabbit is a small mammal and it has long legs that they use to jump. They can be raised as pets. Rabbits have 4 front teeth, which they use to eat plants and vegetables. Cow. The cow is a 4-legged mammal that, like the horse, was domesticated a long time ago. The cow is a farm-raised animal because it produces a lot of milk. Goat. The goat is a domesticated 4-legged mammal. They are kept on the farms mainly for their milk and to make cheese. Goats inhabit many parts of the world and there are more than 200 breeds of goats. Also, their domestication took place over 10,000 years ago. Ostrich. Ostriches are large birds that cannot fly. However, they are very fast, being sometimes bred for racing. Duck. The duck is a bird related to swans and geese, but they usually have shorter necks. They are waterfowl and can be found in either fresh or salt water. Piglet. Piglet is how baby pigs are called. They have the same features as adult animals. They usually have pinker skin when compared to the adults. Chicken. Chicken are birds that cannot fly but can glide away from predators. They are also the most common bird on the planet. Sheep. Sheep are closely related to goats and are also kept on farms for their milk and wool production. Sheep wool is commonly used to make clothes, since it's a fabric often used against the cold. Sheep are also ruminant animals and they eat plants. Goose. Geese are migratory water birds that live near fresh water. Geese are raised on farms. Due to their territorial temper, geese can also be used as guard animals. Bee. Bees are insects which commonly have black and yellow coloration. They are kept in the farms for their honey production and also for helping in pollination. They are very territorial, and if they are not used to the person who takes care of them, it is possible that they will attack. Donkey. The donkey is an equine, relative to horses. Like horses, donkeys are animals used in strength-requiring activities, such as carrying products and preparing the land for planting. They have first been domesticated in Egypt thousands of years ago. Dogs are medium canines with 4 legs. They're distant relatives from wolves. They bark and are also considered a man's best friend. Swan. The swan is an aquatic bird which can be found mainly in South America, Australia, and the Mediterranean region. Swans are very territorial birds and they can attack humans. They are mainly known for the white feathers and long neck. Rooster. The rooster is a bird, also known as a male chicken. It is larger than the hen, and instead of being kept for its meat and eggs, roosters are often kept for breeding. They are also known to wake up farmers early in the morning with their crowing. Cat. Cats are small, distant relatives of bigger felines like lions and tigers. They like to eat fish and drink milk. The sound they make is meow. Hamster. Hamsters are rodents that look a little bit like rats, except they're smaller and domestic. There are many types of hamsters, and they are a common pet for people who don't have much space at home. Hamsters are quiet but playful. Peacock. The peacock is a large bird kept on farms mainly because of its feathers. Male peacocks have a long, colorful tail that is used to get the attention of females. Peacock feathers are a status symbol and are also used in decorating and clothing. Fish. House fish are usually small and live in aquariums. They're the best pets for someone who has never had one because of how quiet and calm they are. The aquariums must be cleaned once a week. is a large bird kept on farms. Turkeys are extremely territorial birds and are known for attacking humans sometimes. They are also the largest bird in their class. Chick. The chick is the hen's and rooster's cub. They have the same features as the adults of their species. Just like chickens and roosters, there can be many different breeds. Pony. The pony is a kind of horse that is not as tall as the common ones. They reach a maximum of 1.5 meters in height. Ponies typically have a wider neck than horses, as well as a fuller mane and tail. Turtle. Turtles are reptiles. They have a very strong shell and they eat mostly leaves and fruit. Tortoises are related to turtles.
That's it for now. If you want to see more animals, our channel is full of them. Thank you for watching.